Hello?
Hi, Eden. This is Janet. Did you hear that John and is moving to England?
Yeah, what a great opportunity for her.
I am thinking about throwing her going away party. What do you think?
I think that's a wonderful idea. She is such a good coworker.
Would you like to help me plan it?
Sure. Let's make it a potluck so everyone can bring a dish to share.
That's a great idea. Let's dress if I don't have to cook.
Right. How many people do you want to invite?
How about all of the people she works with? How many is that?
I think there are about 30 people in our department, including us.
Should we keep it secret or let her know?
She doesn't like people making a big fuss over her, so let's keep it a secret.
When should we have the party?
When is she moving?
Next month, I think.
Then we should do it soon. She'll be busy packing and getting ready for the move.
How about next Friday? It's her last day at work too.
Perfect.
I will send an email to everyone tonight. Thanks for your help.
Hey, Jeff. Are you okay?
Hi there. Yeah, I am just a little sad that we are selling my child home.
I know. I'm sad too. But it's just too big for your mother and me.
I understand. I just have a lot of memories here.
Me too. This is the first home your mother and I bought.
Do you remember all our holiday parties here? Everyone came to our house.
Of course I remember them. Those were the best times.
Now I am married and have a family of my own.
I wish we didn't have to sell it, but we can no longer take care of it. We're getting old, and it's too much work.
Do you know who bought our house?
A young couple with 2 kids. They seem like a loving family.
Where will you and mom go?
We found a beautiful small condo a few blocks away.
That's nice. Will there be enough room when the grandchildren visit?
Yes, we have an extra room for guests, so your kids can stay over any time.
Where's mom?
She's at the fabric store. She wants to sew new curtains for the condo.
Hi, Helen. What's wrong?
I couldn't sleep until 3 o'clock in the morning.
Why? What happened?
Our neighbor's children threw a big party last night. The music was so loud.
Wow, where were their parents?
They are on vacation. They left the kids home.
How old are the kids?
They're teenagers. They're old enough to be home alone.
Did you complain to them?
Yes, I went over there 3 times. I told them that their music was too loud and we were trying to sleep.
What did they do?
Nothing. They wouldn't turn the music down.
That's so rude. Why didn't you call the police?
I finally did. The police found some of the teens drinking alcohol.
I bet that end of the party.
Yeah. Now my neighbors are heading back home from their vacation.
Do they know what happened?
Yes, they are not happy. Those kids are in big trouble.
Hello.
Hi, John. This is Stephen. What are you doing tonight?
Hey, Steven. Nothing much. I don't have any plans yet.
Do you want to hang out?
Sure. What did you have in mind?
I don't know. It's Friday, and I'm bored.
Want to go to the movies?
Is there a good movie to see?
Let's check the internet.
Okay. Let me log on to my computer.
Do you want to see a comedy or drama?
Nothing sad or depressing. I had a hard work week. I want to see something funny.
I agree. Work was stressful for me too.
There aren't any new comedies right now. I only see dramas and horror movies.
Yeah, that's all I see too.
Hey, let's go to the comedy club. My favorite comedian is performing tonight at the local theater.
That sounds great. What time?
It starts at 7 p.m. Let's do dinner too.
Good idea. I will meet you at your house at 5 p.m.
See you tonight.
Subscribe to the Future World channel so you can watch my latest videos.